this vlog is gonna be a little bit different. Not only is there not gonna be any like car stuff or working on cars because we're on vacation in Cannon Beach with my family, but Dollar Shave Club has volunteered to be our sponsor. And first thing in there is this hand flit, like this, very accordion-esque. Next is a bathroom reader. Everything in this box that I'm about to show you is $5. $5. So that's only if you use dollarshaveclub.com/zwing, and the link will be in the description. So go check that out. To get right into it, we have not only the nice weighted razor, this is really nice quality, and I know it doesn't have a razor on it, just hold on. So in here we have a 4-pack of 6 bladed razors.
Ooh.
Yeah, those are pretty nice considering the ones at like the drugstore come with like 1 blade or, you know. Next we have the Amber Lavender Body Cleanser. And this smells so good. Oh, I love the smell of lavender. It's so nice. There's actually a lot of lavender here in Cannon Beach, so fun fact. And then next we have Dr. Carver's Easy Shave Butter. And this is going to be what you apply before you start shaving. And then the last thing that comes in the package is these One Wipe Charlies. You use these after you do your business while reading on the toilet.
Sweet.
That's everything.
All right, let's shave my face.
Let's do it.
You know what you could do? You could shave my neck.
Just gonna moisten you up a little bit. Would you feel flat? You feel pretty flat, so yeah. Okay, now what do I do?
I've never done it before. Yeah, that's better.
How's that feel?
Good.
Really?
And my jaw just hurts for some reason.
Wait. It's hard. And this is to lift up.
Just to get it out.
Wow, you're gonna be as smooth as a baby goose.
A baby goose.
Look at you. What do you think of that?
That looks good.
Think so?
Yeah. You did a good job.
So we were gonna shave Zach's face, but he just can't give up the facial hair, you guys. I'm trying my best. But then again, all of you are guys out there that watch the video, so you're all gonna say beard gang, squaw squaw, you know, whatever you guys say.
Beard gang or die. You know what? It may only be a chin strap, but at least we're trying.
I think I did a pretty good job lining you up.
Yeah. You did a good job.
Can we wipe it off? Can we wipe it off? You feel like a baby goose?
I feel like a baby goose, yeah. That's exactly what I was thinking in my head when you were doing this. Like, wow, I feel like a baby goose.
Perfect.
Sweet. Oh, you know what?
What?
I need your Jeep keys.
Why?
Battery's dead.
Oh.
Where are we going?
We're going to a brewery and I'm really hungry and hangry and yeah.
That sun is like directly in front of us. This is my face. Wow.
Perfect day.
We made it. Pelican Brewing.
Blue sky will take us home. We'll take it easy. We'll take it slow. It's a good day for the road.
See the resemblance?
And time goes so fast.
So, we're at Seaside golfing here with Bert. Bert?
Yeah.
What are we doing?
We're golfing. Played 9 holes of golf today at Seaside Golf Course,
Yep.
Oregon, on a beautiful sunny day.
Are you guys excited?
Hell yeah.
I can't see.
That's high.
What? What's going on here? What are you filming?
I don't know. I was gonna go film on the bridge. Just want to show you where all the alligators are. There's Zach fishing for his ball. This water's disgusting. Steal your car.
The diamonds shine on the snow. My guitar's asleep on the backseat. I'm following the river to another show. It's a perfect day for the road. And time goes so fast.
Hunting for the tie. He let it go a little too hard. Oh, he has some left over. It's not over, folks. It's not over.
That was gonna be a birdie, so we're going for par now.
Everybody's bird.
Oh my gosh!
You're so good. Yay! Da, 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 da.
Okay, put it back in the cooler.
Thanks.
Slap you up. I'm not even worried about it.
What are you worried about?
Nothing. That's not it. I'm not worried about it.
Did he get the wrong kind of pizza?
Nope.
Here's one. This is for you.
Thanks. Why is it that, like, I don't even know about these events until someone's there and then messages me and says, "Hey, I'm here." And one's
But
like,
no, you knew Park was going on. I just don't think
I
you
didn't know
ca-
Park Fest was coming up.
You did because you asked me about it.
I did.
Yeah, like on our way down to here, you were like,
Oh, yeah, because that's when, because Juan was like, "Oh, my Park Fest." No, I found out about it by watching a friend's Instagram story. You guys are late. I know.
Yeah, we gotta go in like 2 minutes.
We gotta leave. We're not
I
gonna
know,
get
but I'm
back.
just saying, he's not even like, if you want to come.
Because he knows how this works. We're not gonna get home until like 11 o'clock.
Man, you two bickering again, and you're like 400 miles
I was
away.
literally just saying, I feel like it's a little bit rude that he wasn't like, hey, like if you want to come over
I think it's rude that you didn't say hi to me. I'm like, no, I don't.
Can I have a hug?
I don't know. Can you?
What kind of like tanning products are you using?
Cuban and half African American.
I'll just go see if that's at the store.
Irish and Czech.
I can tell there's Irish in you. I thought that was you. I didn't recognize you with all the stickers. How are you?
Good. How you doing?
We're filming. Oh, hey. Transmission broken.
Everybody go down.
Really?
So what made you, with your E36, take it from looking like that, or like want to take it from looking like that, to like where your car is now? Like, were you just like, I don't want my E36 to look like some basic bitch BMW? So was your full intention when you built your E36 as a drift car to take it to SEMA, or did that come?
No, SEMA was the excuse to be able to justify for not only me, spend the money, but for the sponsors to give the parts. SEMA was the segue to everything.
Was there ever a part during building the car at SEMA where you were like, I don't want to do this, I give up this car?
I don't know.
Raboni! Take me home. It smells like a meatball sub in this place. Smells like.
Sure do.
Oh, it smells like. Oh, it smells like someone was cooking. Speaking of cooking, I'm cooking. Let's put the goddamn keys in the goddamn exhaust. Get the fish.
The keys in the exhaust. So first it was drive shaft connects to the exhaust. Now keys to the exhaust.
Isn't that where they go?
No.
Keys go to the exhaust.
We would have been out there having fun,
It's not
but
just Tyus.
we were hanging out with Ty's family for the weekend, and my transmission is in Michigan. So. What's up?
How's the drive?
Good.
What's up?
Yeah, exactly.
Being a filmmaker.
What's this? See it? Come here. Nope.